EMP fingerprint safe lock replacement. First, you will receive a nice and sturdy box. Included in the box is a user manual. A full alloy zinc keypad. A left swing bolt lock. Two spare keys to open the swing bolt lock. One red reset button and 4 mounting screws. First, the lock cover needs to be installed in your safe box. Insert the cable from the panel into the hole. The left swing bolt lock will be installed successfully. Be sure to look closely at the swing bolt to make sure it is oriented correctly. Plug the cable from the keypad into the swing bolt. Plug the red cable wire into the swing bolt lock. Finally, the swing bolt lock is fully assembled. To replace the battery, remove the keypad face by pressing the tab counterclockwise. You have to initialize the system to complete match when first time to use. Step 1. Press and hold the red button, reset key, the green LED flash after 3 seconds. Step 2. After 10 seconds, you will hear one long beep and fingerprint headlamp flash once, which means that all fingerprints are deleted. The password back to 1234. Step 1. Press and hold one key about 3 seconds until the green LED lights and heard one beep. Lose the key, input the old code and press start button to confirm. Step 2. Input the new code twice, 1 to 8 digits, and press start button to confirm again. Next, enter your new password to open the safe box. Press the red button, you will hear 2 short beeps, and the fingerprint light will turn on. Put your finger on the sensor, the fingerprint light will blink and turn on. Remove your finger, press your finger again, you will hear a long beep, and the fingerprint light will turn off. The fingerprint identification is successful. And you can add up to 200 fingerprints. If you forget your password, you can use the emergency key to open the safe lock.